Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you 5 awesome Bedrock add-ons you need in your game. We've actually made a video on how to install add-ons on your client as well as your server, so if you're interested in that, we'll leave the links in the description. Before we begin, if you want to download any of these add-ons, we've left all the links in the description. But Nether Plus is an incredible plugin that transforms the Nether. When you enter the Nether, you better come prepared as there are 30 brand new mobs. Firstly, there are new pigs that spawn. Some may attack you and some may not, but when they do attack you, be prepared as they come in groups. There are now more varieties of blazes too, including crimson blazes, soul sand blazes, and others. Furthermore, you can find some really adorable mushroom pets wandering in the Nether. The crimson and twisted mushroom variety are friendly, but watch out for the black variety, they're super hostile. Some other cool mobs added are the soul strider, the creepy creeper, nether creepers, corrupt golems, and many more. This add-on doesn't only add mobs, it also adds some mini bosses. Some of those include the bloody meat boss with 100 hearts and the infernal golem with 70 hearts. The creator is adding new mobs all the time, so we definitely recommend downloading this add-on. The yBiomes add-on adds many new biomes into your world along with new animals, blocks, and items. It's crucial to note that you need to activate all experimental options in world settings to be able to play with this add-on. However, one of the biomes introduced is the Snowy Grove. In the Snowy Grove, you'll find that the air is covered in white mist. If you look around too, you'll come across blackberry bushes. Once those bushes are fully grown, you'll be able to obtain blackberries that you can eat. Not only that, but you'll also come across other kinds of vegetation, such as autumnal coloured bushes and new flowers. Last but definitely not least, this biome is one of the only ones where you can find super cute squirrels and deer just wandering around. Another biome you can find deer and squirrel in is the Cherry Grove biome. The Cherry Grove is super welcoming with its beautiful pink leaves. If you look closely, you'll see that some trees actually have cherries dangling from them. You can right-click those cherries to obtain them and eat them. Undoubtedly, the best part about this biome is that it adds a bunch of new pretty blocks you can use. That includes cherry wood, cherry planks, and cherry blossom boards. There are many other places you can explore with this add-on that come with their own respective animals and blocks. Some of those include the Autumn Grove, the Bayou, and the Spring Orchard. The More Simple Structures add-on adds new naturally spawning structures and vegetation to your world for you to explore. For example, near beaches you'll often find fishing huts. If you go inside, you may find food or fishing equipment. Another structure you can find is a swamp house. It spawns in the swamp biome, of course. If you go inside, you can acquire different loot like food, iron ingots, and even enchanted books. There are so many other awesome structures that you can run into, such as jungle ruins, jungle tree houses, campsites, tower ruins, and many more. This add-on doesn't just add structures though, it also improves world generation. It does this by generating palm trees instead of just sand in beaches and deserts. It also adds banana trees to jungles, rocks and bushes to plains biomes, and so many other small improvements. This is just scratching the surface, so if you want to find out about all the structures you can get with this add-on and where you can find them, the information will be down below on the download link. Morph Plus is a super fun add-on to play with. Basically, whenever you kill a mob or animal, you're able to morph into them. In total, there are 30 mobs implemented that you can morph into. To demonstrate, I'll be going up to a witch and killing her. Once I've killed her, it'll say Unlocked Witch Morph at the bottom. To open the morph menu so you can transform into the mob you killed, you have to press Alt Shift and space on your keyboard and then left click with your mouse. When you've done that, a menu will pop up. To browse through it, you just have to left click. This menu will only show the mobs you have killed. To morph into your desired mob, you have to press left shift and space again, and ta-da, you're no longer human. Whatever mob you morph into, you'll take on their health and effects. As you can see, I now have a lot more hearts than before. If I morph into a chicken though, you'll see that I gain a feather falling effect. If you want to morph back into your normal character, you just have to follow the same process. You press left shift and space on your keyboard and left click on your mouse. Then simply press left shift and space on the blank character with your username. If you want to be able to morph into any mob without having to kill it, you can go into creative to do so, or you can type in the command function unlock all morph mobs. After that, you'll be able to transform into any of the 30 mobs in this add-on. The Ores Plus add-on adds 20 new armour sets, 24 new ores, and plenty decorative blocks. Firstly, it adds elemental armor sets. Elemental armor sets will give you a potion effect and 10 shields of protection as long as you're wearing the full set. One of those sets is amber armor. Amber armor gives you a regen effect. Infernal armor gives you a fire protection effect. Jade armor gives you a jump boost effect. Cryo armor gives you the ability to create ice wherever you walk. The only downside is that it gives you slowness. There are a few more sets. These don't give you special effects, but they give you a lot of protection. There's the reinforced ruby armor set that gives you plus 15 protection, and the alexandrite armor set that gives you plus 21 protection. This add-on's list of items doesn't stop there, as it comes with every armor set's respective tools. For example, reinforced ruby armor has its own set of tools, and so does the alexandrite armor. There is so much more this add-on includes, so if you want to try it all out for yourself, we highly recommend you download it by using the link in the description. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!